Well, we're here with a piece of Hollywood history, a 1977 Rolls-Royce Silver Wraith. And what's so special about this car is that it was once owned and driven by the king of comedy, none other than Jerry Lewis, and it's now up for grabs. Now, it's been homed here on the Gold Coast for the past 10 years and is now owned by local Lou Serentonio, who is one of the comedian's best Australian mates.
He would stop and talk to anybody and have a bit of fun with anybody, stir anybody up. I mean, he was a 9-year-old child.
It's got roughly 30,000 miles on the clock and is said to run as new. Mr. Serentonio says it even smells like Jerry because he only ever wore one type of aftershave.
You can smell him every time you get in the car. You can actually feel him inside the car.
Now, the car will go to auction at the end of the month and it is tipped to fetch a pretty penny.
9 Gold Coast News, still your number 1 local news after 21 years.